Hi, good evening or good morning, whatever time you're listening to me right now. This is Jack Laguerre. Some people call it Laguerre if you're in English, but it's pronounced Laguerre. This is a TV book. When I get book, when I read, say because I have my own book, say I'm gonna put out there, which is Jack like a book, say it's called You Don't Know Jack, the book, the movie of You Don't Know Jack. But I do a lot of things. I inspire people, I motivate people all over the world with my thought, the things that I learned, the other thing, see, the knowledge that I have. I come from Haiti, in a little tiny village called Marmalade. Marmalade is a hometown, my hometown where I was born. I was born in Marmalade, 1979, and I go to Cape Haitian. Since Cape Haitian, I go to school in Cape Haitian, and I do a lot of time in Cape Haitian, the school, and I moved to Port-au-Prince. I was in College Bird in Port-au-Prince. That's a college in Port-au-Prince. And from there, in 1992, I do a little time in 1993. Since 1993, I moved to America in Florida. I'm Jack Laguerre. It's been a long time, see, I want to talk to my people, my fellow Asian. Not just the fellow Asian, to all everybody who listen to me. I come to the, I come to the United States by boat. It was a very tough time for me. So stay tuned and you will learn a lot more from me.